Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best portable massage tables that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Earthlite portable massage table. For the ultimate and reliable massage service, this is a classic massage table you can use anywhere and time. The massage table is very stable, which makes it suitable for various users. The massage table is able to withstand up to 450 pounds, hence a perfect choice. Secondly, the table is also comfortable as it has been designed using quality and high-density foam of about 2.5 inches. This is the ideal massage table that you will find great for daily use. Other than this, the table is also very easy to clean. This is because it has been designed using waterproof PU leather. The leather is also oil-resistant and, therefore, can be cleaned using a damp cloth. To carry the table, it comes with a carrying bag and the parts are removable for easy portability. Moving on at number 4, we have the Saloniture Professional Portable Massage Table. This is another high quality and an excellent massage table that will guarantee you a reliable and convenient service. The table has been designed using premium grade material, which keeps it strong and steady. It also folds, and with the lightweight, you will easily transport the table. It also has a carrying bag for the portability. To keep you comfortable during the massage, the table features a 2-inch thick layer of high-density foam. In addition to this, it also has the face pillow that contains 3-inch of foam. With this, you will always stay comfortable as you enjoy the massage. It can support a total of 450 pounds, hence an excellent choice for all users. The table also has the PU synthetic leather material, which will assure you of long-term service. At number 3, we have the Merax aluminum portable folding massage table. An even pressure distribution and full body support are important whenever getting the massage. With this elegant and portable table, the entire body gets supported as the pressure is evenly distributed. This is because it is 27 inches wide, hence ideal for every user. Second to this, the quality massage table is also easily portable. This is due to the fact that it folds and has removable sides. All these can easily fit into the carrying bag for quick portability. Additionally, the massage table is also convenient as it allows for sitting in different positions. You can easily adjust to customize your sitting position for the ultimate massage. Despite having removable parts, you will easily set up the bed without the use of tools. Other than this, it is also long enough and stable just as needed. At number 2, we have the Sierra Comfort All-Inclusive Portable Massage Table. In order to get all you need for the massage around you for easy access, this is the ideal massage table to give a try. This quality massage table features the oil pouch, towel hanger, and semi-circle bolster, which makes it a unique selection you never want to miss. Second to this, it also provides you with 100% cotton-fitted sheets. The portable table is foldable and has removable parts to make the carriage simpler. It also has a carrying bag that will comfortably fit all the parts. The table has been constructed using quality hardwood. With this, it is very stable and strong. It can support up to 450 pounds, hence a perfect selection. Other than this, the table is also comfortable as it features the 2.5-inch density foam deck. And finally at number 1, we have the BestMassage new black portable massage table, 84-inch. With the quality and strong hardwood construction, this is one quality and a convenient massage table that will serve you for years. The portable massage table provides the ultimate support needed as it can withstand up to 450 pounds. The massage table weighs about 30 pounds, which makes it portable and great for every user. It also has a carrying bag, and with the foldable design, you will always find it great for reliable service. Apart from this, it is a very comfortable massage table. It has 2.5 inches high-density foam, which will provide the ultimate support to keep you comfortable. Besides this, the massage table is also water and oil resistant. The PU leather material makes it safe and easy to clean. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.